So check it out. Here's my latest build. It's a Marx EP5. I used 2 New Haven E7 shells to build it. They were broken in the back, so I cut the back ends off and then glued the 2 good pieces together. I used plastruct, plastic weld, and then I reinforced the seam with jbweld steel stick. I drilled out the Mars light. I know the prototype didn't have a Mars light, but I figured it was there, so why not do it? I also made the New Haven herald for the front, for both front ends. I used the Lionel reproduction horns and pantographs. The New Haven black lettering I printed out. The other decals are from K4. So I got it running pretty good, and I got some Lionel cars behind it. I built a Lionel compatible coupler using a Marx fixed coupler, and so we'll test it out. Great. The EP5 is a smooth puller. It's got the Marx power pull motor in it. The earlier version that was narrower, but it had 2 weights and, of course, traction tires. So it's a little heavier. It's probably the heaviest motor Marx made, and it's definitely the best puller that Marx ever made. I also put 19-volt LEDs in the front. They're from Evan Design. The front pantograph is removable, so I can get to the motor mount screw. I had to cut that motor mount down so it would fit in the cab. And so I made windshield glass with clear plastic as well as cab windows. So I'm really happy with it. I'm going to try to collect all the New Haven cars. I think there's at least 2 more that I don't have, and this engine should easily pull it. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.